In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Mailchimp to Pipedrive Crm, making your marketing and sales processes more seamless and efficient. Let's get started right away. First, we'll need to navigate to the Pipedrive website. If you're not yet familiar, Pipedrive is a popular sales CRM and pipeline management tool that helps keep your sales process organized. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Pipedrive. Once you're on their homepage, it's time to log into your account. Look for the Login button, which should be prominently displayed on the page. Click it, and then enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to your Pipedrive homepage. This is your main dashboard where you manage all your leads, deals, and contacts. It's essentially your command center, and from here, everything you need is just a few clicks away. Now, we need to configure some settings, so navigate to your profile section. You'll usually find this by clicking on your avatar or profile picture, often located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will bring down a menu, and from there, you'll want to select Settings to begin customizing your account setup. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Tools and Apps. This area is dedicated to integrating third-party applications with Pipedrive. By clicking here, you are opening up a world of extensions and integrations that will enhance the functionality of your CRM. Let's hone in on our objective today, which is connecting Mailchimp. In the Tools and Apps section, click on Apps. This will lead you to a marketplace or directory of available applications that can integrate with Pipedrive. There's a search bar provided for convenience. Use it to type in Mailchimp and hit Enter. What this search does is bring up Mailchimp from the list of available applications, showing you all the relevant options available for integrating with Pipedrive. Once located, you'll probably have instructions on how to connect it, along with permissions you need to grant to make the connection possible and seamless. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're now ready to integrate Mailchimp with Pipedrive, streamlining your marketing communication and sales tracking. This integration allows you to sync contacts and automate workflows, making both your sales and marketing efforts more productive. Remember, seamless integration is the key to maintaining consistency and efficiency in managing customer relationships. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!